What's up guys, my name is Oliver Conway. You may have seen my photo has changed, but somebody has gave me a request about my handcuffs, and they said what they made out of, and they said where did you get them from, and I did see in the other video they're from America and they did get them off Amazon. So these handcuffs, they're nothing like British police speed cuffs. You see the ridge there, right there. I don't know if you can see that silver thing right in there. It should normally have 20, which is good, and it's got 20. If it didn't have 20, there's a way that a person that has been arrested can get out.
Have you got CDs? No.
No. Yeah.
What have you got?
Millions.
Millions?
Millions.
Don't like them. Doesn't matter, love.
Look.
I mean, my whams or anything, no.
Watch the video.
Doesn't matter. You still use your Vaseline on that lip.
I will. Right. So, yes, they are American. And can I have some more requests, please, about anything for me to do or anything, you know. Hit the subscribe button. It's up there. And 5k likes for this video. And you get these for £40.99. So please be very careful if you do get these, because I literally got that thing on there on my thumb. So please be very careful. And if you are 9 years old, you're not allowed British police handcuffs and lower. You have to be 10 years old like me. And be very careful, because they are very dangerous and they're used for the police only. If police catch you with them, they won't arrest you, they won't do anything at all. You just say, have you got them or anything? I've helped a police officer before. And yeah. So 5k likes, please subscribe to my channel.